So guys, there you have it. I have done some plantain on the side as well, but there you have it. Plantain and banana porridge. Tell me what you think. Delicious breakfast. You can even have it for lunch or dinner, whatever. But yeah, there you have it. It's morning time and it's breakfast time, and I'm going to be making some banana and plantain porridge. So that's green banana and plantain porridge, and these are my main ingredients. So yeah, I've got a nutmeg there, I've got the grater, I'm just gonna grate it. I got those from Jamaica, so might as well use it. I haven't got the powdered one, so yeah, but this is like the original, so I grate it and boil in the water. I've got some vanilla there, and yeah, let's do it. So first I want to put some gloves on because I've got to peel the banana and the plantain, and it's quite stainy, and if you peel it with your bare hands, you tend to see it stains, and the stains stay on your hands for a while, so I don't like that. So what I'll do here is I just mark my bananas for peeling. So I go like that. So I mark them, and then see. And the plantain I'll do the same. So I've just got one plantain and 3 bananas here, and then I peel it by doing that. The top my thumb, and then just take off the. Some people I think with the banana they use it, they blend it with the banana with the skin. But with me, I like to take the skin off. So that's how I would peel the banana as well. So take the skin off. See? So here you can see I've cut up the banana and the plantains, and put it in the blender. Now I'm just going to add half a cup of oatmeal. So I'll just add half a cup of oatmeal here, and I'll put it in there. Also, I'm just going to add half a cup of flour as well. So adding both the flour and the oats are optional. You can use either of the two. So you can use the oats or the flour, either of them. They will give you the same result. So yeah, I'm just gonna put some water on this now and blend it. So let's turn this on. So as you can see here, it's all blended. Just open it and have a look inside. It's all blended, and I'll just take this out. I'm just going to pour it from this jug into the pot, the boiling water. So I'm just carrying this over here to the stove where I have my boiling water. So in my boiling water, I've got a piece of cinnamon stick that's boiling there for flavor. So in it, I'll just add my mixture, and then I'll just stir. So I'll use this wooden spoon to just stir it until it gets thick, and I'm happy to just leave it and let it boil. So you just stir it in the first part, consistently so that it doesn't get lumpy. So as you can see here, it's getting thick. Because remember, we've added flour and oatmeal, so it will get thick. I can feel my hands are getting heavy. That's an indication to say the mixture is getting thick, and I need to stir it so that it doesn't get lumpy. I normally like my banana porridge or plantain porridge or both. I normally grate the banana or the plantain because I just think that when it's boiled, when it's finished, it gives the real taste. I don't know. For me, I don't really like to blend it, or if I blend it, I don't let it too smooth. Yeah, I like it when it's you can taste the banana or the plantain. So yeah, as you can see, it's gone really thick. So now I'm just gonna add some vanilla. So just fill the cork here, the lid with some vanilla. And here I did the nutmeg, and I'll just put it in. Oops. Push off in there. And then I'll just mix. Spices. Okay. For the nutmeg, you want to make sure that it's boiled, that it's fully boiled, it's properly boiled in the porridge. You know, it gives that flavor, and also it's not like floating away in there. So yeah. So today I'm going to be using carnation milk, well, evaporated milk, because I love when my porridge is rich. I love a rich porridge. I'm sorry, I don't like a bland porridge. So I just think I'm gonna use half a cup of this in there. So as you can see here, it's a half a cup. So I pour this in. And also I'm going to be using condensed milk to sweeten it. So again, I use half a cup of condensed milk. So I won't use any sugar because I'm already using condensed milk and evaporated milk. So that should be fine. So I'll just put this in, and then I'll just hold it until it's all complete. Yeah, and then I'll just give it a stir. Oh, beautiful. As you can see, it's nice and thick. Not too thick and not too thin. It's just perfect. Trust me, this is delicious. See? It's thick. It's just a nice texture. It's not too thick, not too thin. It's perfect. So I'll allow that to boil some more. So I'll just take this out and allow it to boil. So guys, there you have it. I have done some plantain on the side as well, but there you have it. Plantain and banana porridge. Tell me what you think. Delicious. breakfast. You can even have it for lunch or dinner, whatever. But yeah, there you have it. Yeah.
10 out of 10, mommy.